Have you ever wished that AI could do more than just answer questions? What if instead of giving you instructions, it actually completed the work for you? Imagine typing, "Create a business plan," and within minutes, you get a complete business plan, a professional presentation, market research, financial projections, marketing strategy, images, documents, even a website, all generated automatically. Well, that's exactly what Genspark AI claims to do. And in today's video, we're going to put that claim to the test. I've spent hours exploring this platform, testing its features, comparing it against ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity, and other AI tools to answer one simple question. Is Genspark AI actually the future of AI assistants? Or is it just another overhyped AI tool? By the end of this video you'll know what Genspark AI actually is, how it works, what makes it different, the best features, hidden limitations, pricing breakdown, whether it's worth your money, and who should actually use it. So make sure you watch until the end because some of Genspark's features genuinely surprised me. Let's get started. First things first. What exactly is Genspark AI? Genspark started as an AI-powered search engine but has evolved into something much bigger. Today, Genspark positions itself as an all-in-one AI workspace built around what they call a super agent. Instead of acting like a traditional chatbot, the platform is designed to take a goal, break it into steps, use multiple AI models and tools, and then produce a finished result. Think about how most AI tools work. You ask ChatGPT a question. It gives an answer. Then you ask another question. Then another. Then another. It's a conversation. Genspark tries to eliminate a lot of those back and forth interactions. Instead of, "Write me a blog post," then, "Create images," then, "Make a presentation," then, "Create social media posts," you simply tell Genspark your goal. And the system attempts to handle the entire workflow automatically. That's why they call it a super agent. According to multiple reports, the platform coordinates multiple AI models and dozens of integrated tools rather than relying on a single model. In theory, this means better results. In practice, we're about to find out. When you first open Genspark, the interface looks clean. Very modern. Very minimal. Not cluttered. The dashboard immediately gives the impression that this isn't just another chatbot. You can see various tools and capabilities integrated into one workspace. One thing I noticed immediately is that Genspark is clearly targeting productivity users. This isn't designed primarily for casual conversations. It's designed for people who want outcomes. Business owners, marketers, creators, students, researchers, freelancers, agencies. People who want AI to perform actual work. And that's a big distinction. Most AI companies are competing to create the smartest chatbot. Genspark seems to be competing to create the most useful assistant. And honestly, that's probably the right direction. Because at this point, almost every major AI model can answer questions. The next evolution is execution. Feature 1: Super Agent. Let's talk about the biggest selling point. The super agent. This is the feature Genspark promotes more than anything else. The idea is simple. Instead of asking AI for information, you ask AI to accomplish a goal. For example, create a complete YouTube channel strategy for a faceless AI business channel. The agent can research competitors, analyze trends, generate content ideas, create scripts, design plans, build documents, all within a single workflow. This is where Genspark begins feeling different from traditional AI tools. You're no longer chatting. You're delegating. And that shift is powerful. The system reportedly uses multiple specialized AI models and integrated tools to complete tasks. For content creators, this can save enormous amounts of time. Instead of spending hours jumping between ChatGPT, Canva, Google Docs, presentation software, research tools, you can potentially do everything in one place. Now, is it perfect? No. Sometimes results require editing. Sometimes outputs need refinement. But the overall concept is extremely impressive. Feature 2i Research. One of my favorite features is research. Most AI models hallucinate. Sometimes they confidently provide incorrect information. Genspark attempts to solve this by creating structured research outputs called Spark pages and research reports that synthesize information into organized content. Imagine researching cryptocurrency, stock market trends, business ideas, marketing strategies, competitor analysis. Instead of opening 50 browser tabs, you get a consolidated report. For business owners and marketers, this is huge. Research is one of the most time-consuming activities online. Anything that reduces research time creates a competitive advantage. And Genspark does a surprisingly good job here. Feature 3i Presentation. This feature blew me away. You can literally type, "Create a presentation about AI trends in 2026." And Genspark generates an entire slide deck. Not just text. Actual presentation slides. Structured. Designed. Formatted. Ready to use. According to descriptions of the platform, AI Slides is one of its flagship capabilities. If you're a student, teacher, consultant, agency owner, business professional, this feature alone could save hours every week. Because let's be honest, nobody likes building presentations. It's repetitive, time-consuming, and usually boring. Genspark automates a huge part of that process. Feature 4 Website Generation. Another standout feature is AI Developer. This allows users to generate websites and applications through prompts. Think about that. You describe what you want, and AI builds it. This isn't just helpful for developers. It's helpful for non-developers. Imagine being able to launch landing pages, portfolios, business websites, simple apps, without touching code. That's where AI is heading. And Genspark is clearly leaning heavily into that future. Feature 5 Image and Video Generation. Most AI tools specialize in one thing: chat, images, video, research, coding. Genspark tries to combine everything. The platform includes image generation and video creation capabilities through integrated models and tools. For creators, this is incredibly useful. Instead of subscribing to multiple platforms, one workspace, one workflow, one ecosystem. That convenience matters. Especially for solo creators and entrepreneurs. Feature 6i Phone Calls. Now let's discuss the craziest feature. AI phone calls. Yes. Actual phone calls. Genspark can reportedly place phone calls using AI voices for reservations, inquiries, and other tasks. This sounds futuristic. Because it is. Imagine telling AI, "Call a restaurant and book a table." And it does it. That's not information retrieval. That's action. And action is where AI agents become truly powerful. This feature alone demonstrates where the industry is moving. From assistants to autonomous workers. Now the comparison everyone wants. Can Genspark replace ChatGPT? The answer is, it depends. ChatGPT is still exceptional for conversations, brainstorming, writing assistance, coding help, general AI tasks. But Genspark's strength is workflow automation. ChatGPT gives answers. Genspark tries to deliver outcomes. That's the difference. If you need quick responses, ChatGPT wins. If you need complex projects completed, Genspark becomes very interesting. They're not identical products. They're solving different problems. Pros. What I like. 1. All-in-one platform. Everything is integrated. No constant switching between tools. 2. Excellent automation. Less prompting. More results. 3. Great research. Strong structured outputs. 4. Presentation creation. Massive time saver. 5. Website generation. Very useful for entrepreneurs. 6. Future-focused vision. The platform feels like a glimpse into where AI is heading. Cons. Now the negatives. 1. Learning curve. More features means more complexity. 2. Credits system. Heavy usage can consume credits quickly. Paid plans are structured around monthly credit allocations. 3. Results aren't always perfect. Sometimes outputs need editing. 4. Not necessary for everyone. Casual users may be perfectly happy with ChatGPT. At the time of writing, Genspark offers a free plan with daily credits and paid plans that significantly increase usage limits. Pricing details can change, so always check the official site before subscribing. My recommendation. Start with the free plan. Test real workflows. Then decide if the paid version makes sense. Never buy AI tools based solely on marketing. Use them first. So, is Genspark AI worth it? My answer is yes, for the right person. If you're a content creator, agency owner, entrepreneur, marketer, researcher, student, freelancer, you should absolutely test it. Because Genspark isn't trying to be another chatbot. It's trying to become a digital employee. And that's a much bigger ambition. Will it replace ChatGPT? No. At least not today. But it might replace several other tools in your workflow. And that's where the real value lies. The future of AI isn't smarter answers. The future of AI is completed tasks. And Genspark is one of the most interesting examples of that shift happening right now. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button. Subscribe for more AI reviews, tutorials, and online business content. And in the comments below, tell me. Do you think Genspark AI is better than ChatGPT, or is ChatGPT still king? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.